Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is important notice that if you are planning to take admission in BR through Maharashtra CET cell, this is video is for you. So in this video I will explain you that who all can apply, eligibility criteria, important dates, registration process, document verification, merit list, cap round and other important discussion will be happen in this video. So whenever there is a need, you can pause the video and read the instruction. In some cases I will directly upload the meaning so you can read at your own space. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because I will be also explaining the terms which many students get confused. The terms are like e-scrutiny, provisional mark list, grievance period. Okay, these are few terms and many more that students get confused. So let's get started. Who all can apply for this? So Maharashtra state candidates, All India candidates, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh migrate candidates, NRI, OCI and PIO candidates, candidates of women workers in Gulf countries also known as CIWG C can also apply. Foreign national candidates can also apply. Eligibility criteria: to participate in this counseling you must pass 10th and 12th with physics and maths as compulsory subjects along with the one additional approved subjects. Okay, then candidate must secure 45% marks for general category, 40% marks of Maharashtra reserve categories. Okay, I am repeating again, 45% marks for general category and 40% marks for Maharashtra reserve category. Also, students who have completed 10+3 diploma with mathematics can also apply. Also, you must have NATA 2020 score or JEE Mains paper 2 score. Okay, and the important dates are: registration has started on 14th July as mentioned in my previous video. The last date of registration and document uploadation is 24th July 2026 till 5 pm. Document verification can complete till 25th July 2026 till 5 pm. Don't wait till last date, complete as much early as possible. Okay, then registration fees for general category is 1,300 and 1,000 rupees for Maharashtra reserve category candidates. Okay, the registration process is very simple. You have to first visit the Maharashtra CET cell website. The link is in the description. Complete your registration, fill your personal details, academic and entrance exam details, upload the required documents whichever they will ask, pay the registration fee. Finally, select your preference document verification mode. So, e-scrutiny. Now many students get confused about e-scrutiny. Instead of explaining everything in detail over here, I have displayed the complete meaning on the screen. Please pause the video and check. Okay, read it carefully. Okay, then coming to physical scrutiny, similar, here is the meaning, you can check. Okay, now coming to merit list. So merit list schedule. So provisional merit list will be published on 27th July 2026. Grievance submission will be from 28th to 30th July 2026. Merit list will be released on 3rd August 2026. Provisional merit list, grievance period. Many students don't know about this, so I have displayed the meaning over here. Please don't skip this. This is important. Please read it carefully. Coming to cap round, as of today, the schedule for choice filling, option form, seat allotment and reporting has not been announced. The Maharashtra CET cell will be released the date separately. As soon as the official schedule will be released, I will be uploading and giving you the update. Also requesting you to keep checking the official website from your end also, because it may be delayed from my end also. Coming to reservation categories, candidate belong to SC, ST, OBC, NT, SBC, EWS, SEBC and other reserved categories should ensure that all the requirement documents you are having and you will be uploading and verifying it properly. And if you fail to submit the verified document, so this will affect your admission process. Okay, so important instruction before ending this video, here are the few important instructions. Complete your registration before the deadline. Upload clear and readable documents. Keep your registration mobile number and email ID active, because they will be providing you the further details on the same number and email ID. Okay, then if your application is written for correction, please make sure you will be resubmitting the documents on time before the deadline ends. Otherwise it will create a lot of mess at the end. Only verified applications will be considered for the merit list. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope this is useful and helpful. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. All the best for your admission. Hope you get your dream college. Bye bye. Have a great day.